Dimitri to Baluyot. Hayag to Dimitri to Lopez. Yes, sir! Ang gandang batahan nun. And 30 seconds to play. Hindi po, 31-33 pa lang. Hayag for 3. Yes, sir! Balik sa lima ang halaman. Baluyot, hawak din ang bola. Nakayot din. Baluyot, tumayo. Engineer with a jump shot. Yes, sir. 1 minute for 3. No good. The rebound by Lopez. Lopez kumain. For 3. Yes, sir. Baluyot, pasok ang yalang nabitawan pero nakuha ng pangilista. 2.4 ang pangilista. Dimitri, kakayot din. Nagtapat na kuha ng Baluyot. Baluyot to the 2, yes sir. For 2.
Baluyot, ngunit natapik, nakuha ni Dimitri. Dimitri, giving to Tayag. Tayag, hawak ang bola. Giving to Engineer. Engineer with the 2. By Dimitri, nagkagawa ng bunga, nakuha ni Lopez. Lopez, kinira na dos, wala. Nakuha ni Cariaga. Baluyot na naman. Giving to Evangelista with the 2. Yes, sir. Tison, giving to Cariaga. Cariaga, kakayot din. Nabitawan, nakuha bungo. Giving to Baluyot. Baluyot with the 2. Yes, sir. Kaya for, Baluyot for 3. Yes, sir. 3 points for Baluyot. 3 points, 3 points. Balik dalawa ang kalamangan ng Violet team.
Tagal ni Mama.
Giving to Tayag. Tayag for 3. Yes, sir. Nakakabalikan.
Tagal ni Mama.
Bulat pa.
Mama.
Baluyot, Baluyot to the 2. Yes, sir. Kas, 58, kas, 58. Tayag, hawak ang bola. Giving to Lopez, Lopez for 2. Yes, sir. Baluyot ka, kayot sa gitna. With a 2. No good. Rebound by the Kraken. 10 second shot clock. 9, 8, 2 points for Baluyot. Engineer looking for teammates. Engineer to Dimitri. Dimitri sa 2. Yes, sir. Kaya, hawak ang bola. Give it to Lopez. Lopez kumatawan with the reverse. Nakalusot. 35 seconds to play. Balunod with the 2. No good. Rebound by Cariaga. Rebound by Dimitri. Giving to Tayag. Tayag with the tira. Yes, sir. Sige po. Nagigay po yung bola. Abo. Cariaga looking for his teammates. Giving to Reylo. Reylo for 3. No good. Rebound by Evangelista. Reset shot lang kumatawan. Giving to Kraken. Tama. Ang gandang pasahan nun. Baluyot ang bola. Giving for 3. No good. Rebound by Cariaga. Cariaga with the 2. Yes, sir. Engineer, hawak ang bola. Apat na lang ang kalamangan ng Orange Team. Engineer giving to Tayag. Tayag for 3. No good. Rebound by Chudoro. Still right. Baluyot. Baluyot tumira din. Wala. Rebound by Tayag. Tayag. Hawak din ang bola. Tayag giving to Engineer. Still by Cariaga. Cariaga. Hawak din ang bola. Baluyot. No good. Rebound by Cariaga. Time out! Ito Tayag. Tayag for 3. Yes, sir! Baluyot, hawak ang bola, kakayot din with the layup, pumasok din. Ito Baluyot, Baluyot with the 2, may kasama pang foul. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2 points for Dimitri. Dimitri, hawak din ang bola, kakayot din. Given by the Kraken for 2. No good. Rebound by Chudoro. Giving to Engineer. Hoy, 72 lang yan. 72. Huwag nyo muna bibigyan hanggat hindi pumapasok ang bola. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Tayag for 3. 10 second shot clock. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Baluyot with the 2. No good. The rebound by Dimitri. Giving to Engineer. Engineer to Dimitri. 10 second shot clock. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Reset shot clock. Rebound by Kraken, giving to Baluyot. Baluyot with the side step. Is good.
Huwag kalimutan pindutin ang subscribe button at mag-share at like, alright?